Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim maintenance update reward or gift in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to claim any gift or reward, you can go to your mailbox and you will get this message. This is a reward or message for the maintenance update April 15, and if you want to claim it, just click on this claim button and you will get at 8k golds and also 10 wishing stars. Okay, I'm gonna claim it. Okay, I've just obtained golds and wishing stars. Okay, you can claim it before it's expired. It's expired in 1 day, so hurry up. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim the maintenance update reward or gift in a Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.